Today's video is based on a support question I received a couple of times. Why are my parts penetrating each other when they are not allowed to? Is the contact not working, or what is happening here? By default, the deformation scale on SOLIDWORKS simulation plots are magnified to make it easier for the user to understand how the part behaves. But this can also give some misleading visualization, such as in this case, where the tweezer tips appear to penetrate each other. To inspect how this actually looks, we can change the deformed shape in the plot definition to true scale. As we can see, when the plot is updated, the parts are not really penetrating each other, and the deformation is much smaller than what it originally appeared to be. The change we did now only affects the plot we did the change on, but if you want to have true scale as your default, you can change that on the default options. Doing changes to default options will not affect the current study and existing plots, but it will be the setting for all future studies and in this case, new plots.